Did you know that of all the people being sued by scavenger debt collectors, 95% of them could get their debt cases completely dismissed just by filing a few documents? That's very important to know because you can avoid a garnishment of your bank account and your job if you file within 30 days. Hi, my name is Mike Houston, founder author of DebtCaseDismissed.com and the Debt Resolution Handbook. Over the past 7 years, my company has helped hundreds of people who are being sued by credit card debt collectors. And it always makes my day when I get a call from one of my clients saying something like, I used to be frightened by the debt collector's lawyers, but I'm not scared anymore. I just got a dismissal letter from the county court. So don't click off this video. I'm going to tell you the story of how so many people made the scavenger debt collectors completely go away. If you're like most people, you feel an obligation to pay your debts, and if you may have even tried to make payments to the debt collector without much success. Because payments take time and money to collect, secondary debt collectors really don't want to take them. It's easier for them to garnish your income. That way, your employer will deduct their money directly from your paycheck. We've seen people being sued for a debt that has already been paid in full, or even an account they currently are paying on every month. So when people are sued, we help them file documents that stop the court judgment. Once a collection agent asked me why we filed a response in court. I said, you filed a lawsuit against my client. Did you think we're supposed to just let you win? There must be some kind of disconnect because the answer is obviously yes. They don't expect you to fight back. You might have heard that some debt collectors are buying billions of dollars in credit card debt for pennies on the dollar. Then they turn around and sue millions of people to collect the full amount of the original debt, plus fees and interest rate we've seen as high as 32%. To collect all this debt, the collectors have set up automatic lawsuit processing machines. They have only one goal, and that is if they sue enough people, they'll make millions of dollars. In a previous video, I said I would explain the secret of why you can get your debt case completely dismissed. And what they don't want you to know is, when scavenger debt collectors buy debts, all they are buying is a spreadsheet of names and account numbers. They almost never get any actual documents. The truth is, they are suing millions of people knowing they themselves do not have the evidence to win. What debt collectors are counting on is people not knowing how to respond to court. So 99% of the time they do win by default. But you don't have to be one of the 99%. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act gives us all consumer rights. You have the right to request that collectors provide any proof they have in their files. The truth is, in the 7 years we've been demanding documents from the collectors, they almost never have any. The lawyer took 4 months looking for my credit card file in a warehouse. I guess he finally gave up looking because my case was dismissed. The balance was $5,812. Thank you, debt case dismissed. One of our first clients was Janet W. She came to us with $9,000 in debt and an interest rate of 21% owing to a secondary debt collector. She was not making enough income to offer payment to the collector would accept. All we did was supply her with 2 of our response forms. She herself went to the county clerk who filed them in the court record and mailed copies to the plaintiff's attorney, and that was it. A few weeks later, I got a call from Janet. I received some court documents in the mail, and what's a dismissed without prejudice? As usual, I quickly looked up the case on the county court's website, and sure enough, Janet got her case dismissed. We wanted to make the documents that help all our clients available to anyone being sued for credit card debt, so they could take advantage of our limited offer. As a debt case dismissed member, you will receive complete access to everything we use to win cases. First, you'll want to watch the video. Simple steps to winning your debt case. Well, we'll review filling out the documents, filing forms with the county clerk, and where to mail copies. You'll get all our interactive autofill case winning documents, like entry of appearance, response to the plaintiff's petition, requests for admissions and documents, and requests for dismissal. Just to get you pointed in the right direction or whatever happens in your case, you may need to contact us for help. As a member, online consultation is always available during normal business hours. By signing up as a bonus, you'll receive the Debt Resolution Handbook. It's a full 74-page how-to guide on writing debt negotiation letters, credit reports, statute of limitations, and the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. And if you ever think we're letting you down, let us know and I will quickly refund 100% of your purchase price. Up to 60 days, totally risk-free, and keep the course as our gift. At this point, people always ask, so what's all this going to cost me? If they take your case, we all know attorneys can be expensive. Their usual fees are between $200 to $300 per hour. You could pay over $500 just for our documents. And our regular fee to our office clients has always been $225. But we wanted to do something special for our online clients, so we put together a limited offer. If you act now, you'll get our complete package for just $67, and you will never pay more. So don't be intimidated by the big powerful scavenger lawyers. You have an excellent chance of winning your case and almost nothing to lose if you defend yourself. If you've already been served a summons for a credit card debt, you only have 30 days to respond to the court. One more quick story. There were two birds sitting on a fence. One of them decided to fly away. How many birds were left on the fence? Well, the answer is 2. The bird that decided to fly away never actually did. So don't sit on the fence, and don't let them garnish your wages and empty your bank account. And don't forget to let us know when you get your debt case dismissed. Thank you for watching.